Most robotic cleaners follow a pre-programmed path that maps your pool, that misses debris in the water line, the steps, the corners, and key places where it's so noticeable. That's the difference with the iGarden's M1 series. Now, it goes from M145 all the way up to 90. The key factors are it has a dual AI camera that gives you a true 3D map of your pool. It detects debris in real time, and it will give your pool a 99% clean of all the debris in your pool. Now, this is really unique. That AI camera has 2 of them, and 2 is a perfect number, like the seeing eyes in nature, to help you find the debris in the pool. It finds it, detects it, and retrieves it before it uses up the battery on wasted spaces. I have a very special tip that you're not going to want to miss, so watch till the end for the special tip for making your iGarden machine run. Can you live with this tip? I think you can, but you're going to want to judge for yourself, so watch till the end to see. AI timer can help you schedule your pool clean for up to 30 days, and the very large debris basket holds it. Now watch until the end for a graphic that explains all of the benefits so you can screenshot it and give you the good reason to add to cart. Now this pool cleaner also comes with a 3-year warranty, which gives you the confidence that you need. Now let's get into the technical truths of this great machine. It doesn't just clean your pool, it targets it before it spreads and gets your pool AI clean in as little as 20 minutes. Let's take a closer look. Not only does it look like a super fast sports car, it acts like a high premium model as well. The M1 145 has a 10,000 mAh lithium ion battery, and the M1 190 has a 12,500 mAh lithium ion battery. The motor is HyperBoost dual motors, and it has an AI inverter with 2.0 technology. That's what's on the inside. Let me show you some of the technical truths. Now the runtime is up to 4.5 hours on the M145 and up to 9 hours on the M190. This is the port for the charger. It is a wired charge, and it charges in about 4.5 to 5 hours for the 145, and it charges in 6 hours for the 190. Now, I love the size of this machine. It's a really great size, it's easy to carry, and it weighs just a little over 20 pounds. Now the debris basket is 4.5 liters. Let's take a look at that. I run it recently in the pool, and it has these great mesh systems, and it's vertical. I love the fact that it's vertical, and it's very easy to clean out. Look, it got even the finest little pieces of sand, as well as some pine needles, and I keep my pool pretty clean, and it's still got all of these fine little pieces of dirt. Now that's amazing, because I can barely see that. That's microscopic dirt, and it got it in one pass. It has a dual layer filtration system on both sides with an easy vertical lift. The dedicated AI processor and those dual cameras help you find and track that debris with 99% accuracy. Now, to review those very special features that make this an add to cart item, now it has the dual AI motors, it has the debris target system, it has the 3D mapping of your pool, it has obstacle avoidance, it has unique mapping on the machine as well as on the app for easy control. And the app is very easy to set up. I set it up in about 10 minutes. I have another video showing you complete setup, so be sure to watch that one as well. But this machine was provided for me, for my honest opinion, because I love pool motors and I'm your pool guru for pool bots, and this is one of my favorite. Let me sum up why. In addition to those AI features, it has a HyperBoost cleaning technology system in those dual motors. So you have 2 cameras, 2 motors, 2 front rolling brushes, 20-minute AI quick clean, and a 30-day pool insertion time because of that quick cleaning ability, conserving your battery. And here's the clicker, a 3-year full warranty. You can't beat that. You're gonna learn about that special secret. The iGarden M1 AI series with the biomimetic dual AI vision that actually sees the actual machine itself simply using the control panel. And you're going to give it a little shake, let the air out the first time, and there you go. Now, it's important to note when you're starting your iGarden machine, you're going to depress the power button for 3 seconds. Then you're going to pick your options, your different modes, and you're going to press it again, the power button, one more time, but just a short press. That makes it start. If you hold it a long press the second time, that's the on-off feature, so it will make it stop. So what you want to do to repeat is a long press for 3 seconds, pick your options between your different modes, and then a short press to say, okay, that's what I want. That sends your iGarden off to work
doing all the great functions that it's designed to do. I have it here starting out on my ledge. It's a rainy day in my pool, and it is filled with rain and leaves and all the things that the rain brings in, and we're going to let it do its first time mapping of my pool and see what great things it comes up with. Now, this great machine was provided for me, from my honest opinion, and I love iGarden products as well as all pool cleaners, and I am very impressed with its ability to clean. Now look how it jets around the pool. It's mapping its path with its biomimetic dual AI vision. This device uses a dual camera system inspired by nature to enhance the clarity and vision. The AI vision technology is capable of transforming darkness into clarity to ensure coverage. It has cleaning power that is driven by the ability to see and capture every detail in a pool. The comprehensive coverage includes a technology designed to reveal every corner of the pool during the cleaning process. The product represents an innovation in pool care that combines a deep intelligence with a human-like feel. It also has an AI option for a 20-minute quick clean. It offers ultra-long run times. It has an infinity drive which delivers multiple hours of continuous cleaning depending on the model you select on a single charge. The advanced hydrodynamics Aqua Advantage trackless four-wheel design meets Resistech corrosion-resistant materials built for lots of seasons and great climbing abilities to clean the ledges and the water lines. Look at those monster wheels go. It also has an AI target system which reads every inch and obstacle in real time. Suction and strategy adjust automatically with obstacle avoidance and just precise adaptive cleaning. It's a supercar inspired design and a 3-year worry-free warranty that gives you the ability to add to cart now because you know that you have a great warranty to back up this great performance. I highly recommend this MI series. It's new, it's innovative, it has all the great features of AI, and you just will have confidence that your pool will be clean and have the greatest technology to do the best job available so you can enjoy your pool for what it's meant to do. Simply swim and enjoy it with your family and friends. With those cameras providing OmniLogic and a real 3D view of your pool, there's nothing left for you to do but enjoy. With the Resistech corrosion-resistant materials, it's built for long-term durability, which you will be able to enjoy for years to come. Watching it clean the waterline, the floors, and all the ledges with great precision. Enjoy your pool, relax, because the M1 design is in charge.
Keep watching to the end for that graphic, and you will see the overall benefits in a snapshot of this great pool machine. You're going to want to have this one to control your pool. I really recommend the iGarden M series.